Welcome to our tutorial on how to add your location on Instagram. In this updated guide, we will show you the steps to easily add your location to your Instagram profile using an Android device. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Next, tap on your profile picture located at the top right corner of the screen. Then, tap on Edit Profile to access your profile settings. Scroll down until you see the Contact Options section. Here, tap on Business Address to input your location details. Tap on City Town and enter the name of your city. Once you have entered your city, tap on the check icon located at the top right corner of the screen to save your changes. And there you have it. You have successfully added your location to your Instagram profile. Now, your followers will be able to see where you are located whenever they visit your profile. Adding your location on Instagram is a great way to connect with your audience and share more about yourself. So don't forget to update your location on Instagram and let your followers know where you are. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.